Oh my, that was really loud. Oh God. Okay. So, hey guys. Let me scoot back a little bit so I don't look so. Okay, there we go. Hey guys. I am going to unbox my Allure Beauty Box. So it's gonna be a little different because I've already opened everything and kind of did a little baby try on portion of my face. So that will be after this part. But I wanted to re-record this because I didn't like the first one. Perfectionist. So let's just dig on in here real quick. Oh, this doesn't belong in here. Oops. So this is an awesome box this month. It's actually like my favorite Allure Beauty Box. It has really nice brands and really nice products, so I'm super excited. So the first thing in the box that I'm going to start with is hair care, and this is the Briogeo Farewell Frizz. It's the Blow Dry Perfection and Heat Protectant Cream. I love Briogeo products, so I'm super excited to try this one out. I have not tried this one, but since it is a Blow Dry Perfection and Heat Protectant Cream, this sounds right up my alley. I need all the heat protection I can get, and pretty much everybody needs a lot of heat protection for their hair, especially me. Well, I need it especially because I have super thin hair, so too much heat and it all just goes downhill for me. So I'm super excited to try this out. This is the first product in the box, and already it starts off good. See, told you it was a good month. Now, this little guy right here is a Natasha Denona eyeshadow single. Natasha Denona. Can you believe it? So expensive, and oh, it's so beautiful. I mean, look at this. This is so gorgeous. It applied amazing. It's what I have on my eyes right in here. This is beautiful. I love this. This just is so exciting to actually get into a box, because it's such a prestige brand and it's so luxury and it's just awesome. And the color of it, or the shade name, is perfect. It is 124 karat Bronze Age. So perfect for this. The next thing is very similar. It's another eyeshadow. This is a little palette. This is the Nubian by Juvia's Place. And this is different because this is not the full-size palette. This is a custom palette that has been sort of designed and formulated for by the Allure editors. So they picked out all of these shades, and they're really pretty. Nice neutral palette. It has beautiful colors. They blend really nicely. I have this one, and this guy on my eyes, along with the Natasha Denona, and they did an amazing job. So this is really nice. I've heard such good things about the big boy, like the big palette, but I'm really like having this like little small one. Perfect for traveling, perfect for just to carry around with you or to keep in your makeup collection because it's not too big, and it's perfect. So super excited for this. Now, probably my favorite thing in the box, I know I'm crazy, is an eyeshadow brush. But I am absolutely obsessed with Luxie brushes. They are hands down the best brushes I've ever used in my life, and I'm so happy to have another one. This is the Luxie 205 tapered blending brush. It has a super soft, fluffy head. I used this to blend out my eyeshadow today, and I mean, as you can tell, it looks awesome. The thing I love most about Luxie brushes is the quality of them. They are a little pricier, but they're an amazing brush. The bristles are super soft. I'm pretty sure they're synthetic. But they do a really good job. They don't streak. I have several brushes by them, and I really just, I want the entire collection, if we're being honest, because they just are amazing. I will always recommend Luxie brushes if anybody ever wants really nice brushes. They're the best, and this is just another one, and another sort of proof to back up my already crazy love for them. So love this, so excited to get this. So the next thing in the box really isn't my favorite. It is a waterproof slim eyeliner. I don't know if the brand is LA Splash Cosmetics. I'm assuming that's the brand. And this is called the Art Key Keat. Butchering the name. This, I don't know. It's a felt tip eyeliner. It goes on black. I don't wear eyeliner, so this isn't much for me, but it is a nice one. I'll probably pass this along to my friend. She uses liquid eyeliner all the time. She knows how to apply it, so way better than I am. See, even my first swatch just shows how much I suck at applying eyeliner. So this was the second swatch. It kind of feathered out a little bit, if that helps. But yeah. So then the last thing I got in my box are these Vita Liberata Advanced Organics Phenomenal Organic Tan Infused Cloth. So this is cool. You get two. They're for your face and body, and it's apparently supposed to last up to 10 days. I don't know. But this is really nice because it's compact, perfect for traveling. Will it perform great on me? I don't know. I'm not a tan person, as you can tell, since this white shirt's really giving me a tan. Because this is about my normal skin color. I get a little bit darker in the summer, just a little bit. Like, this much darker, not much. And I wouldn't call it a tan, but it is what it is. So if this works, these will be super nice. I think you can get these at Ulta. And that's what it said in the little book. So I'm really excited to try these out and see how they go. It's a little different, but we'll see. So yeah, this was my box for the month of April. And I love this box. It is $15. I got all of this for $15. I mean, the Natasha Denona eyeshadow thing pretty much paid for the box. I think this is $27. I'm not sure. But yeah, I got some amazing products. So I'm super excited and overall really happy. So if you're interested in seeing the final look, then keep watching. But if not, thanks for watching this far. So if you're here for watching the try on portion, I'm really just going to use the brush and the two little eyeshadows here. So nothing too much. I will apply on mascara at the end so you can see what it looks like with mascara. My necklace is all tangled. Oh my god, I don't even know. That's embarrassing. We'll just send the tangle to the back so we don't see it. But I moved you guys in a little bit so you can see it better. So right now I just have on my eyebrows but nothing else. So I'm going to first start off with this little palette here. I think I'm going to start off with this eyeshadow. I'm going to use the little Luxie brush. So there's a little fallout if you are like, oh my gosh, this brush. Oh my goodness gracious, I love this brush so much. But it is super soft and it's blending really nicely on my eye. This brush is amazing. I'm just going to do one eye first, and then so you can just see what I'm going to do with the other eye, and then we'll just speed through that eye. Next, I really want to try out all of the shadows, but I can't. So we're just going to go into the next step up. We're going to use this one. This one does have like a slight sheen to it, but I love eyeshadows like that anyways. Quick, easy. Sometimes I use multiple brushes, sometimes I don't, just depends, but right now I'm just in heaven using this Luxie brush. So, well, messy, but you can see it did darken it up more. It did give it a much warmer tone. So that's really pretty. I am going to get a different brush for the dark brown color now that I'm thinking about it, because this is really fluffy, and I I do not need the dark brown this fluffy. So I'm going to reach down and get this other brush. But I love this so far. It's so pretty. Really, really pretty. Okay. So, oh, God almighty. So I just got this Real Techniques brush. Yes, it's a little dirty, but at least it's a dark color. This is just a little bit smaller of a blending brush. You can tell you can see a big difference in their sizes. So that's why I wanted this one to focus the darker brown color in the crease. This is a Real Techniques brush. This is the 305. I really, really, really love this brush. I actually have two of them. I don't think they make this like color anymore, but I feel like they might make the same brush. Don't quote me on that. I don't know. But I'm sure that there's similar brushes to this one, but it does a really good job of packing it into the crease. And this will also do really good on blending the whole eye too. So this is a really versatile brush. So jumping back into the palette, I am going to use this dark brown color right here and just focus it right on the crease. Ooh, I feel like she's pigmented. Gonna be, ooh dear. Well, she's not too bad. Pack it right here, focus this back here, and then just blend it in the crease. This is like my go-to eye look right here. Some matte shades. And then we're going to do a shimmer in the middle. But this is really pretty. So I think this is all I'm going to put on for like this darker color. I am going to take this brush with whatever it still has on it and just soften up my edges. Make sure everything's blended really nicely. Everything has been blending really nicely. This palette, at least the three little matte shades, so this one, and this one, what I have over here, oh my gracious, things are falling. They blend super beautifully. I really like this palette. So if you did get the Allure Beauty Box and you got this in it, I really, really, really recommend this, and I like it a lot. So now I'm on to the little Natasha Denona shade. Like I said, oh my god, I cannot hold anything. Super excited to try this gorgeous bronze shade. I'm just going to apply this with my finger. Sometimes I'll use a small packing brush. So I'm just gonna swirl it around. I have about this much on. Let's see. Oh my lord. Hello. Oh my gracious mercy. This is beautiful. Talk about metallic. But let's just look at this. Like, look at how beautiful that is. So beautiful. I'm sure, I am like so sure that if you use like a little packing brush and like a little bit of wetness or something, it would just be gorgeous. Well, even more gorgeous than it already is. So I'm going to skip my other eye, and I will be right back to give you all my final thoughts. Okay, so I'm back, and this is the completed look. This is both eyes with the little Juvia's Place mini and the Natasha Denona single. Beautiful. This Natasha Denona, oh my lord, have mercy. This is like the 6th time I've almost dropped this thing. What is my problem today? I don't even know. It's fine. It's fine. It's totally fine. Anyways, so super love this. So happy I have this. I feel so fancy now, and I feel like my inner like child is like, oh my god, finally luxury makeup. Love this Luxie brush. Knew I would anyways because I love everything that they make. And yeah, so my mascara is just the Too Faced Better Than Sex. It's my favorite mascara. It makes my eyelashes look absolutely gorgeous. And then my lip gloss, Laritzi Cosmetics. It's like this color. It's like kind of the same. I do have to apply like 2 coats on this in order to get like a lot of pickup. But it's a super soft lip gloss. I really like it. I think I got this in like an Ipsy bag maybe. I use it that often, just because I don't wear lip glosses that much, but and it doesn't really match because it's more like a pink and this is really gold. But I thought it would be nice to have something on my lips and it was nearby, so that's what we did. So if you've made it this far, that means you have watched the unboxing and the try on portion. So I am so happy that you watched this far, and thank you so much for watching this. I really love unboxing videos, and I love being able to try out new products. Oh my god. Anyways, I really love being able to try out new products that I normally don't pick out for myself. So I hope that you like this, and I hope to see you soon. Bye!